How are you doing? I'm Christopher with MarineMax Clearwater. I'm aboard a 2022 Boston Whaler 350 Outrage. And the first thing I want to show you are the engines. So these are three 400 horsepower Mercuries. They'll get you going up to 60 miles an hour. And one really unique feature about this boat are the twin power poles. Makes anchoring super easy. It's actually really nice to have two, because if you only had one, then you're going to go with the tide. When you have two, you're stationary. The next thing I want to show you is the summer kitchen. So right here, one attention to detail is really nice on the whalers. It has a ruler on it so that if you catch a big fish, you can measure it right there. And then when you open this, you have a cup holder, a sink, cutting board, and a grill, and a drawer for all your items, and even some switches. So next thing I'm going to show you is the helm. So up here, you have two 16-inch Raymarine screens, and right here is your Mercury system. You have your throttles, and then one of my favorite is the JPO joystick. Makes docking a breeze, as well as the Skyhook and autopilot. Skyhook will keep your boat exactly where you are. So up at the bow, immediately thing you'll see is this trolling motor, which is really great when you're going in the bay and the smaller waters where you want to catch some fish and be quiet. A ton of seeing up here. Another really great feature of this boat is there's a bow eye hook, so it also makes a great tender for some yachts. Guys, I ran through this really quickly. There's a lot more involved with this boat, so if you want a full tour, reach me at MarineMax Clearwater. Again, my name's Christopher. My number is 985-951-0112. Thanks.